What's up?
Here we
Okay.
go.
See, look.
I'm here.
Look, this is my
On a plane.
background.
See,
I'm
there's
here
mine.
on a
It's
plane.
Among Us.
That's awesome. Hey,
Plane.
you gotta close that up for now.
A plane.
Just until, hey, just until we get up in the air, okay?
Yeah, it's supposed to be in the airplane.
If you see yourself.
It is. Oh,
Okay.
mine is a
Yeah, it's
Chromebook,
kinda
so
dark in here, too.
I can only
Kinda
have my
dark.
Wi-Fi off.
Look, there's 3 airplanes in front
Well,
of us.
in a plane.
There's the control tower.
Airplane.
Yeah.
Alaska Airlines.
Whoa, that is awesome.
I like being on an airplane.
We're going. My sister is making a video. She is a YouTuber now.
The other thing that you guys should do, when you get there, one of you yells orange, and the other one yells power.
Our flight attendants, please break in for departure.
Power.
Orange, power.
Yeah.
Right, and then the other one, and later on you'll yell boomer, and the other one yells sooner.
That's right.
And
Boomer thing.
it's an Oklahoma chant, okay? Your grandparents and your aunt and uncles will know. But you gotta do both of them.
That's right.
Because you want to stay on
It's
everybody's
pretty
good
dark in here. No light. Not really. But we're moving. We're
side.
moving.
Probably in this
We are moving.
Guys,
Definitely.
guess what?
Beat up.
FGTV, they have their own game. It's called Goozy. I downloaded that game. I have it.
You also want to get
Yep.
weather-wise.
I guess.
In one of his previous videos, he said to download it.
Uh-huh.
So I downloaded
There
it.
you go.
Yeah.
Yep. Peace. I'm recording.
You don't want it to rain. So you want to put stuff up until you get up in the air.
Yeah.
He needs to put his laptop away.
Until it's smooth.
I do.
So it's smooth.
He needs airplane mode. Mason, go to settings.
I don't have airplane mode. That's what Grandma said. So I have my my thingy off. I have no internet. See, not
We all
connected.
have our
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to put your computer away, pal. Oh.
For now. Okay. So, many people.
Slow.
Because we gotta wait our
not
turn.
really many.
See, up
But
there you can see them go by fast. That's the fast lane over there.
Oh,
Really?
this one is red. And that one is green.
you can't really see it, it's just
this
white.
one's green. That
Yeah.
one is red.
Kinda. But
There's 3
I'm
ahead of
doing-
us.
I don't know.
Now, when you're leaving the plane, you could yell boomer really loud.
Wow, okay. Okay.
When you're leaving the plane.
He said, the person
Okay.
said, to have inside voice.
To have
Say what?
inside voice. Inside voice.
Inside voice.
Yeah. Well, when we leave the plane.
Oh.
When we get
Got
to
my coffee.
Because it's an Oklahoma thing.
Yeah.
It is an Oklahoma thing.
I've been trying to talk to you
Coffee.
guys. I've been saying hi.
Yeah.
This whole time.
Dunkin' Donuts.
My sister's making a video.
Shake it!
See, I
Check
think
it out.
you guys should check out her
Channel.
her channel. Yeah, it's called Not I'm Just Kittens.
Now what?
No, I'm just kittens.
Oh, okay.
It's like a cat pun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Instead of kidding, it's kittens.
There you go.
Yeah.
Pretty smart.
I love cats.
My sister, she made an Among Us video. It's like she was inside
I love
of-
you, Ghost.
She's like,
The imposter.
she was an imposter, but then she got voted out because she was acting very
I love drama.
sus. She was acting very sus.
I love
mean,
drama.
Suspicious.
Check out that. Okay.
There's another one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're going. We're going. We're going. Yep. We're about to be in the sky.
Did your parents tell you about turbulence?
No.
Where it gets a little rough.
Plane
Oh,
might jerk around?
I've never been on that
Okay.
part.
Have you ever been on a roller coaster?
no.
we've never been on a roller coaster before.
Well,
Mommy
Been
and
on a rough
Daddy.
road, haven't you?
Yep.
My mom
I
never
guess.
let us be on
Or a
that.
bus?
We've never went to a fair before.
you never. He wants to know if you've ever ridden a cookie dragon.
I don't know what that means.
I don't know either.
But I can't believe we're on an airplane again. I thought that we were
Twice.
gonna be on
This is the second time.
Yeah,
second
I didn't
time.
know.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know that I was gonna be on an airplane again, but until they told us.
We're gonna fly over.
So I got my coffee. I got my brother. And I'm on it. I got my airplane.
I ate before.
Not mine.
I be,
I had to say.
It's not a private one. I'm not popular yet.
I ate before.
There would be order for that.
I ate before the plane
As
gets.
nothing happens to the plane, we're all okay.
Yeah.
It is fun. Have you seen that Curb Your Privilege video where this lady says she works for the governor's office and that she doesn't want to sit next to a baby?
No.
And she calls the stewardess and she's doing half her job. And she gets
Nah.
taken off the plane in like 15 seconds. You gotta see. Oh, and then the lady's like, get off the plane. She's like, what? No.
That's there.
You gotta leave this up until we take off, okay? It's
Be blinded by my demon hand.
she's just being so mean and so
Oh.
rude to everyone, just so nasty.
Yeah.
And then they just go, goodbye.
Yeah. Exactly.
She's like, no.
Why are we stopped?
Real quick.
Yeah. And you know how to behave.
Yeah.
Why did we stop?
Watch that. I wonder if the stewardess is secret.
My demon
Wait a
hand.
second. I've never seen one of those airplanes
Oh,
before.
it's so happy to go back.
Sure, look.
Pacific.
It's one of those
Yeah.
airplanes. I've never seen one before.
Where they'll wave
Forget how
at
much I miss it.
you.
Well,
Yeah.
what you can know is that it's kind of boring.
Say, hey, chill out. Relax. They put that back together. Take off.
Guys, look at the window. You'll see like different kinds of
Make
airplanes.
the turn.
Yeah.
I've never
All right,
seen
keep
those
going.
kind of airplanes
Did
before.
you?
Yeah, that one over there says Pacific.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh.
We're moving again. Yeah, it's a stop, move thing.
No.
Don't tell me you're not a seafood person.
Oh, no, I know. But with the COVID stuff, my daughter is 9 months pregnant.
Oh, congratulations, boy or girl?
Little girl.
Girl. What's the name?
Well, she's still the baby. So, but her older sister that's 3
Hey, stop.
says little Sissy's going to be little CC. We're going, CC? That's not even the name. What's that stand for, Ella? She says,
Hey, Mom! Get out of here! No, Missy!
She's hungry.
You had enough crackers!
That's
Mom! I want more! No, young lady! You had enough!
her new husband says,
Mom!
3
Give me
years.
more!
No, maybe 5.
No!
Because he's in the Army.
Wow, that was
He's Dr.
Now! No! Now!
This year.
No! Now!
San Francisco.
No.
So
Come
rare
May.
for
Now! No!
Oh.
Now!
Yeah.
No!
Hold on tight.
Yeah, look over
Okay.
there. There's the other. We gotta wait behind that plane.
Oh yeah.
Another plane. Yeah.
They have this place in the military.
And the only
That civilian doctor is the same.
Dunkin' Donuts.
But it's kind of like how, I don't know how.
Got you there.
guess
What
what?
they do is they'll be like,
Anyways.
oh, yeah, we're gonna get it done real cheap. Hey, we had a cost total.
It's gonna be 10 minutes, so I'll make it part 2.
Not being cost total.
Actually, no, it's gonna be 3.5 hours. No,
What's the term? At the end of the day,
it's gonna be 10.
but then the military
10 hours. See ya in the next video. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Don't have to comment.
Right.